don't worry. From now on, 10 feet away, so a great job. The pub is just jumping over. Still one more spot is on the right hand side, my hand. And remember, it's tackle of the nation. The avant-garde god of this, those king cobras are one of the world's largest poisonous snakes, and they attack with a strangest motion. So, watch out, everyone. Alright guys, okay, all with last night, I think we are all in danger. Oops, maybe not yet. Can't see that. We have a word for those reptiles over here. We call them crocodiles. But did you know how they cause? How they cause dinner? But okay, it's not a time for the dinner yet, so we're still safe. Just don't wake them up and don't come at night anymore. Oh, Professor Porter and Jane has 7 came just over here. But it seems there's some expected company. Those floating gorillas. Hello, gorillas! How are you doing? Hey, here's the gorillas. Hold on. Remember this with me? We were Professor Porter coming back to punish them as a floating gorilla. As the grass and with all kinds of animals, including zebras and giraffes, and tell the left. It's the number 2 most feared animal in the jungle. His name is African animal. Yeah, but who is the number 1? It's mother-in-law. She's much more scary. And we're now entering the pool of dangerous evils. There are 6,000 pounds and they sank 6 more yesterday. But don't worry, only 5 of them were mice. They don't want the evils. Don't come ever again. I'm scared. Oh, and the other side. Oh, so disgusting. I remember watching the everyday evils. And they were my guests before, but they didn't listen to my advice and jumped on the boat when they saw the wine. And now they have to pay them forever, and I won't save them. It wasn't my fault. I say I hope so save them soon, poor guys. Oh, see those skulls? It's Hanta's sign language. It says, please remove your watches and jewelries, then we won't get stung again when we hit you. Oh, it's horrible. I hope they're like home today. For sure they are. Alright, I think it. Hello, we are not tasty. Just let's go over here. They're waiting to surround us. Oh, be careful the poison now. I love that shit. Alright. And let me say, alright, if I'm just still here, then we may go back to the dog. The dog is just up ahead on the left hand side. Nothing is gonna stop us anymore. Oh, except that. Watch out, everyone, hold on tight! Oh, what's happening? Where are we now? Oh, it seems we are falling in the care of the gods. This mysterious thing